This is linear algebra. We're going to start with the system of equation. So let's review Gaussian-Jordan elimination from algebra class, guys. Here is a system equation is two variable, but you're going to see x1, x2. In the algebra class, we put the linear equation this form, guys. X plus y equal -5. X minus 2y equal 10. That's the form of system of equation, but in algebra class, we're gonna using x1, x2, x1, x2, three variable, x1, x2, x3. So let's change this one is augmented metric. How can change the coefficient metric first, guys? Coefficient metric gonna be, guys, look at this one. First equation is coefficient in front of x1 is 1. That's the first row. Here is coefficient is gonna be, that's gonna be 1, right? So that's gonna be 1. Second equation, what is number here? That's 1. So we're gonna put the 1. What is here? -2. That's the -2. That's what we call coefficient metric. Okay? So here is -5, 10, first equation after equal sign. That's gonna be -5, 10. We call this one is constant metric. So now we're gonna put together. That's gonna be we call augmented matrix. So how can I write down the augmented metric, guys? 1, 1, and put the bar, that's the equal sign, -5. Here's 1, -2, that's the 10. That's what we call augmented metric. In the textbook and Alex, they don't have bar, guys, but you clearly understand what is augmented metric. So let's go to this one. How can find the solution of this system of equation by using this operation. So if you remember, guys, look at this one. I'm not gonna go in this direction, guys. Look at this one. So what you have to do first, guys, you're gonna have first this one is make this guy gonna make 0, okay? This one make 0. That's wanna do it. So what you have to do, guys, what you have to do, you have to make 0, you need a -1. So I'm gonna put the here, guys. You're gonna need a -1, so -1. -1, R1 is first row, R2 is second row, okay? Plus R2, that's going to R1, all right? So need more space, guys, here. So I'm gonna put this one is -1, R1 plus R2 go to R2. So you're gonna see here, -1, R1, so -1. 1 times -1, -1. -1 times -5, 5. So add together. So you're going to change here. 1, 1, -5, 0, -3, 15. If you forgot how to do it, don't worry about too much. We just review it. We're going to practice a lot later. So let's change it. This one is going to be equation form. So let's see, this one is x1 plus x2 equal -5. This one is -3x, 2 is 15. Right? Next step is we're going to make this one is 1. So you're going to have one operation. That's going to be -1/3 R2 go to the R2. So which meaning is other law doesn't change. 1, 1, -5. 0, -3 times -1/3, meaning is -3 divided by -3, that's the 1. 15 divided by -3 gonna be -5. So let's see, this one is gonna be the system of equation is x1 plus x2 is -5, x2 is -5. Okay, how to get to this one, guys? Look at this one. Here, divide by -3, exactly. What is the next one? Next one is you have to do, guys. Look at this one. This one should be 0. So what kind of operation do you need? So negative 1 R2 plus R1 go to R1. So this one negative 1, 0, negative 1. Here is positive 5. So you have 0. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, negative 5. So now this one is system of equation form. X1 equals 0, x2 equals negative 5. If that makes sense, that's how do you find the solution of system of equation by Jonathan method, Gaussian-Jonathan elimination, guys. So we're going to keep practicing later on, but just to leave you for system of equation. Okay, let's go terminology for our linear algebra class. Let's review what is a linear equation. Linear equation meaning is this form, guys. You're gonna see a lot of time. 2x plus 3 equals 0. That's the linear equation. We're gonna using x1 notation. 2x1 plus 3 equals 0. That's what we call linear equation. What is the system of linear equation? Gonna be you have already you did x1 plus x2 equal negative 5, x1 minus 2, x2 equal 10. That's what we call system of equation. What is gonna be solution? Solution is gonna be x1, y1. x1, x2 you find 0 and negative 5 is a solution of this one. Not always one solution. Solution set is we collect all the solution, okay? That's the definition of linear equation, system of equation, solution, solution set, guys. But our attention is how about type of solution of system of equation? So that's the three cases. One is a consistent system. We call consistent system, which meaning is they have, guys, they have solution. Okay, they have a solution. System of equation have solution that's gonna be consistent. No, non-consistent means no solution. Okay, so solution, no solution. Consistent system, you have two cases. One solution. Second is infinity solution. Okay, what is one solution? So let's give the example with system of equation with the two variable. One solution meaning is system of equation two variable is it is a two line. So L1, L2. Let's draw the here is coordinate plane. Here is line 1, that's L1, that's the one equation. Line 2, that's the L2. They're going to meet the 1. That case, they have one solution. Infinite solution. Here is L1, but L1, L2 is exactly same. That's the infinity solution. No solution case going to be this case. This is L1, here is L2. So, guys, remember, system of equation have three different solutions. One solution, infinite solution, we call consistent system. No solution, that's the non-consistent system.